Today I'm going to make shea butter. I'm going to make shea butter cream for your skin, and it can be also used for your hair. So let's go. Here's the shea butter, and I'm pouring it all out. This is roughly ½ pound. And this is what it looks like. Shea butter. All right. This is a piece of the shea butter. It's all organic. So what I'm going to do, I pour it in usually pour it in a dish that can take heat. So this, I'm going to put it on the stove in a pot that boiling water and let it stay there and slowly melt. So come on over. Okay, and this is boiling water. Make sure you don't put it in and let it splash up, because it can splash up and burn you. So it's in the container here, and I'm slowly putting it in. So it's going to slowly melt, and that's how you want the shea butter to melt. Slow melting process. So let it stay there and melt, and I'll come right back to you. After melting it in the pot, this is what it looks like when it's all melted, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for it to solidify. This is what it looks like when it's all solid. Now I'm going to mix it all around, mix it into a cream. But before I mix it around, I'm going to pour my virgin olive oil and my coconut oil in. I'm just guessing, but you don't need much oil. Just put like a tablespoon, because it's not a lot that I'm making. Do the same, around a tablespoon of the coconut oil. So I have the virgin olive oil and I have the coconut oil that I just poured in. This is it. And I'm going to mix it and mix it around. Guys, this is our shea butter that I just made. This is an organic butter, and you see how smooth it is, and it goes on my hand. So smooth. So if you want to purchase a bottle of this, you can go online at Earth CNU, and remember to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.